I was diagnosed with a hypothyroid and precursor to diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and weight issues that were causing those medical issues.
Pertaining to your medical condition, what has been your experience with U.S. healthcare?
U.S. healthcare is good, but sometimes with U.S. healthcare, especially in dealing with insurance companies, they're not willing to adapt to newer procedures that are available in other countries that are successful for a lot of people.
What were the medical options available to you in the United States?
Straight gastric bypass, which I didn't like some of the things that I had read about that procedure. So the vertical sleeve gastrectomy was the way I wanted to go, and it just wasn't available in the U.S.
How much money have you spent on previous medical bills in the U.S.?
With co-pays and that of my insurance, maybe $15,000-$20,000 over the course of years.
How did you come across MedJourneys?
The internet. I did some research online with different companies, and there was a lot of good stuff out there about MedJourneys.
You didn't have medical insurance, did you?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you did?
I did. They just, with my medical insurance company, they wouldn't cover the vertical sleeve bypass that I wanted to have done. So that's why I chose to pay it out of my own pocket and have it done overseas.
Why did you consider going abroad for the procedure?
Because it was not available in the U.S.
Did you consider any other countries?
I had talked to MedJourneys about a couple other countries they worked in, but I quickly found with the facilities and such in India that India was the best place to go.
Did the MedJourneys team effectively answer all your questions and concerns?
Yes, they did.
How long did it take you to make a decision that MedJourneys was right for you?
It took me about 2 months, I would say, from the time I started doing research until I finally decided on MedJourneys.
Did you contact any other medical tourism companies?
I talked to a few, but I just liked the MedJourneys experience and what they were offering and included.
Please explain to me how it was when you arrived.
I was greeted at the airport, was picked up, brought to my guest house. Everything was the way it was said. It was, very secure area, quiet place to relax. I was greeted by the MedJourney staff.
And what was your experience like in your hospital? What did you think of your hospital?
The hospital's top notch. I mean, it's easily comparable with anything you would get in the U.S. I mean, it's definitely state of the art.
Did you have any problems with the nursing or the staff, or did you have a language barrier?
The nursing staff, no. The nurses and doctors all speak English very well. Some of the support staff, there's always going to be a little language barrier, but it wasn't anything that wasn't easily overcome.
Would you like to say something more about your surgeon?
My surgeon was great. Top-notch surgeon. With me, he was right to the point. He gave me all the details, performed the surgery flawlessly, and it was a good experience. I'd recommend him to anyone.
He explained anything that you asked. It was totally transparent.
Yes.
Would you recommend MedJourneys to other patients looking for medical alternatives abroad?
Yes, I would.
Thank you very much, James.
Thank you.